Okay, so today we will discuss some questions which asked in previous JEE Mains exam, okay na, from this chapter matrices and determinant. So write first one. This question is, let it is given that A is a matrix, okay, 0 2q r p q minus r p minus q and r, okay, and A into A transpose is equals to I3, then find the value of mod P. Okay, P is any value now, so modulus of P, it means positive value of P. Okay, and it came in 2019, okay na, JEE Mains. Now it is given that A into A transpose is equals to I3 and we want value of P, just put the values, then you will get. Okay, A into A transpose, A is 0 2q r p q minus r p minus q r into A transpose, that is 0 2q r p q minus r, okay na, and p minus q r, that is equals to I3. I3 it means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now actually what we want value of mod P, it means we want value of P. So compare the, it is given that this is equals to I. Okay, so there is no need to find the complete multiplication, just compare. Here we have 3 unknown values P Q R, so we want only 3 equation. Okay, so A11 first element is P11 is first row into first column, what you will get 0 4q square plus r square, so we are getting 4q square plus r square. Now this P11 must be equals to 1 na. Okay, now P12 is first row second column, 0 2q square minus r square, 2q square minus r square, this P12 must be equals to 0. Okay, this is equals to 0. So from this one we are getting that r square equals to 2q square. Okay, but you want value of P square. By using these two only equation we can't find P square na. Okay, now again use P13 first. P13 is first row, it means this one na, first row and third column, then 0 minus 2q square plus r square, same value. Okay, so there is no need to take this one. Now P21 is P21 is second row first column, 0 2q square minus r square, again same. Okay, now P22 second row into second column is p square plus q square plus r square. Okay, p square plus q square plus r square, and that is equals to 1. Okay, now see, it is given that r square is equals to 2q square and we want value of p square. Put r square equals to 2q square and now put in this one. Actually we want value of p square na, so I want value of r square and q square. Okay, now see, if you put value of 2q square r square in this one, then what we are getting, 4q square plus r square is 2q square equals to 1. Then from this one we are getting that q square equals to 1 by 6, q square equals to 1 by 6. From this one r square is equals to 2q square, that is equals to 1 by 3. Okay, now put values, p square r square q square is 1 by 6, r square is 1 by 3 equals to 1. Then from this one p square equals to 1 by 2, then p equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. But if you take mod of b, then mod is always positive na, so 1 by root 2. Okay, so here D option was correct. Okay, write down. Can I have? Next question, it is given that D belongs to R. Okay, D is a real number and a matrix A is given as minus 2 4 plus D and sine theta minus 2, 1 sine theta plus 2, after that D, and here we have 5 2 sine theta minus D and minus sine theta plus 2 plus 2d. Okay, this is the matrix. Now it is given that theta belongs to 0, 2 pi, and it is given that minimum of date A is equals to 8. Then find the value of D. Then a value of D is options are given as -5, second one is 2 into root 2 plus 2, and third one is 2 into root 2 plus 1, and fourth one is -7. Okay, again this is asked in JEE Mains 2019. Okay na? Okay, JEE Mains, not advanced na. Now it is given that minimum value of determinant theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. It means theta can take any value from 0 to 2 pi. It means all possible value of sin theta you can take. Okay, no problem. Minimum value of determinant of A is equals to 8. Then value of D, a value of D. Okay, out of these options. So it is given that minimum value of determinant of A equals to 8. So first I have to find the value of determinant of A. Okay, it means here I have to equate the minimum value of determinant of A is equals to 8 now. Okay, so I am finding first determinant of A. Determinant of A, replace matrix with determinant. -2, 1, 5, 4 plus D sin theta plus 2, and after that 2 sin theta minus D. Okay, now third column is sin theta minus 2 D and minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2D. Now we want to simplify this one. It means we have to expand, we have to find the value of this one now. Okay, determinant. Now before expand I want to make some zeros. Okay, now see, in this one if you add R1 then sin theta cancel out, and I am trying to make 0, sin theta cancel out and 2 cancel out, what means 2D, and subtract twice of this one, then 2D also cancel out. Okay, so here I am doing in R3. Okay, I want to make this one as 0, so I am adding this one and subtracting twice of this one. So R3 goes to R3 adding this one plus R1 and minus twice of this one, 2R2. Okay, now use determinant of A is equals to R1 and R2 remain same, -2, 4 plus D and sin theta minus 2, 1 sin theta plus 2 and D. Now in R3 what we are doing? We are adding R1 and subtracting twice of R2. So add this one, what you are getting? 3. Subtract twice of this one, what you are getting? 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so this is 1. Now add this one. If you add this one, what you will get? You will get D cancel out, 2 sin theta plus 4. First we are adding R1 then subtracting twice of R2. So if you add this one then D cancel out, 2 sin theta plus 4 minus twice of this one. Twice of this one is also 2 sin theta plus 4, so you will get 0. Okay, so what we are getting 0. Similarly this one is also 0. Expand this one. If you expand then you will get determinant of A is equals to with respect to R3 1 into this one into this one, 4D plus D square minus this one into this one. This one into this one is sin square theta minus 4. Okay, this is the value of determinant of A, and after that 0 and plus 0. Okay, determinant of A is equals to D square plus 4D and plus 4 and minus sin square theta. You can write this one as D square plus 4D plus 4 can be written as D plus 2 whole square and minus sin square theta. Okay, now it is given that minimum value of determinant of A is equals to 8. Now can you find the minimum value of determinant of A? This determinant of A will be minimum, actually na, D is any value. Okay, this determinant of A will be minimum when sin square theta is maximum. Okay na? Because we are subtracting sin square theta. If suppose you are taking sin square theta as 0, then you will get this one as the value. If you are taking 1, then this one minus 1. Okay, so if you increase the value of sin square theta, total value become decrease. Okay, so you will get minimum value of determinant of A when sin square theta is maximum, and maximum value of sin square theta is 1. Okay na? So minimum of date A is equals to d plus 2 whole square minus 1. Okay, I am taking maximum value of sin square theta, and it is given that minimum of date A is equals to 8. Now equate what we are getting, d plus 2 whole square is equals to 9, d plus 2 is equals to plus minus 3, d is equals to, if you take plus sign then you will get value of d as plus 1, if you are taking minus then you will get minus 5. So value of d is either plus 1 or minus 5. So minus 5 we have na. Okay, so first one is the correct answer. Write down. Can I have? Third, this question is also asked me in 2019. Okay, JEE Mains 2019. It is given that A equals to cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Okay, then the matrix A power minus 50. So here we want value of A power minus 50. Okay, when theta is equals to pi by 12. Okay, one value of this one when theta is equals to pi by 12. Options are given. Obviously first we have to find the value of this one. Okay, then automatically you can check the options. Okay, so here we want A power minus, actually this is not A power minus 50, this is A inverse power 50. Okay na, it means what we want, it means we want A inverse power 50, because A power minus 50 is not possible na. Only you can find A square, A cube, A power 4. This is not power of A, this is A inverse power 50. Okay, so we want this one. To get in any time in any question, if you want higher power of any matrices, then obviously you have to find only that power of that matrix as twice 2 power of that matrix or 3 power of that matrix. Okay, but we can't find up to 50 power na, then you will get a sequence. Okay, and by using that sequence you can directly find the value of A inverse power 50. Okay, it means just find A inverse power 1, A inverse power 2, A inverse power 3, then you will get the sequence, and with the help of that sequence we can directly write A inverse power 50. Okay, so first I am finding A inverse. Now A inverse is equals to 1 by date A into adjoint of A. Now can you find determinant of A? Determinant of this matrix is this one into this one, cos square theta minus this one into this one. So minus minus become plus. So what we are getting, cos square plus sin square, that is equals to 1. So 1 by 1. Adjoint A, adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix directly you can find. Interchange these two and change the sign of these element. Okay. So I am interchanging these two, but this become cos theta now, and change the sign of these two. Then sin theta and minus sin theta. Okay. So here we are getting A inverse. A inverse is cos theta, sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Okay, here you want A inverse power 50. Okay, A inverse power 50, first find A inverse power 2. Now A inverse power 2, A inverse power 2 is A inverse into A inverse. Okay na, so A inverse is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta into cos, here cos theta. Now find out P11 is first row into first column, cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos 2 theta. Okay, P12 first row second column, cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta, yani it means 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equals to sin 2 theta. Okay, so similarly if you solve for other, then here you will get minus sin 2 theta and here you will get cos 2 theta. Now we are getting sequence now. Okay, see, if A inverse, then here we have cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. If A inverse power 2, then cos 2 theta sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. It means at the place of theta what we have 2 theta. Similarly, if you find cos inverse power 3, you will get cos 3 theta sin 3 theta minus sin 3 theta cos 3 theta. Okay, so similarly I can say that A inverse power 50 is equals to, at the place of theta what you will get, 50 theta. Okay, so cos 50 theta, sin 50 theta and minus sin 50 theta and cos 50 theta. Okay, you will get this one as the value. Now it is given that we want value of this this matrices when theta equals to pi by 12. Okay, here we have angle as 50 theta. Theta equals to pi by 12, then 50 theta is equals to 50 pi by 12, and this 50 pi by 12 can be written as 25 pi by 6, and 25 pi by 6 is 4 pi plus pi by 6. Okay. So A inverse power 58 theta equals to pi by 12. If you put theta equals to pi by 12, then this is cos 4 pi plus pi by 6. Now cos 4 pi we can reduce, exclude 4 pi now. So cos 4 pi plus pi by 6 become cos pi by 6. 2n pi plus theta is equals to theta. Okay, for trigonometric ratios. So cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2, 50 theta 4 pi plus pi by 6, sin 4 pi plus pi by 6 is equals to sin pi by 6, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and again this is root 3 by 2. This is the answer. Okay, done. Can I have? Fourth question. Okay, now this is JEE Mains 2018. It is given that if determinant x minus 4, 2x, 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 x minus 4, 2x and 2x, 2x, x minus 4, it is equals to a plus bx into x minus a whole square, then ordered pair A comma B is, options given as first one minus 4 comma 5, second one 4 comma 5 and third one minus 4 comma minus 5 and fourth one minus 4 comma 3. Okay, we want value of A and B. It means first I have to expand this determinant. Okay, now see, I want to make some zeros. Okay, how to make some zeros? R2 goes to R2 minus R3, this becomes 0 na. Okay, so first I am taking R2 goes to, I am applying the row transformation, R2 goes to R2 minus R3. Okay, first to simplify this one. Okay, first I have to find the value of this one in this form na, A plus bx into x minus a whole square. Okay, so x minus 4, 2x, 2x. In R2 what we are doing? R2 minus R3, 0. This one minus this one is minus 4 minus x. If you take common minus, then minus of 4 plus x. This one minus this one is x plus 4. Okay, then 2x, 2x and x minus 4. To solve any determinant, try to make two zeros in one row or in one column. Okay, now there is a 0, and if you add this one and this one, then this also becomes 0. Okay, so I am using that. This is C2, this is C3. C2 goes to C2 plus C3. Okay, determinant is equals to x minus 4, 0, 2x. In C2 what we are doing? We are adding C3. So this becomes 4x. This one plus this one becomes 0. This one plus this one becomes 3x minus 4. Then 2x, x plus 4 and x minus 4. Now expand. Okay, I am expanding with respect to R2. then 0 multiplied by its cofactor becomes 0, then again becomes 0, then x plus 4 multiplied by its cofactor. Okay, so hide corresponding row and column. This one into this one is 3x square minus 4x minus 12x minus 16x plus 16. Okay na, this one into this one minus this one into this one. This one into this one is 2x into 4x, 8x square. Now see, actually this is the minor na. Now we have to decide the sign. Sign for this one is plus minus, so minus sign. Okay, now solve. If you solve this one, what we are getting? X plus 4. I am multiplying minus inside. Then see, minus 5x square into minus plus 5x square. Okay, then plus 16x and minus 16. Okay, now factorize. First I have to convert this one in this form na. Okay, so we have to factorize x plus 4. Now product is minus 80 and sum is 16 plus 20 minus 4. Okay, 5x square plus 20x minus 4x minus 16. Okay, if you factorize, if you take common 5x, then we will get x plus 4 minus 1 common, x plus 4. So directly I am writing 5x minus 1 into x plus 4, and here what we have? Sorry, 5x minus 4. Okay na, yeah, and x plus 4. So we are getting that. I want to write in this form, a plus bx. A plus bx, this is minus 4 plus 5x and x plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 4 whole square. Now see, this is like a plus bx into x minus a whole square, obviously. Then a comma b is, a is minus 4, b is 5. So first one is the correct answer. Okay, write down. Okay, next is fifth question. This is also came in 2018. If the system of linear equation x plus ky plus 3z equals to 0, 3x plus ky minus 2z equals to 0, and 2x plus 4y minus 3z equals to 0 has a non-zero solution. Then xz by y square is equal to. Okay, now we want that this is equal to, options are minus 30, 30, minus 10, plus 10. A is minus 30, second is 30, third one is minus 10, and fourth one is 10. Okay, now you want value of xz by y square. It is given that this system of equation has non-zero solution. Now see, this is the homogeneous system of equation. Okay na, and homogeneous system of equation, if del is not equals to 0, then always have unique solution, and that unique solution is trivial solution. It means 0, 0, 0. Okay, so condition to become to having a non-zero solution or non-trivial solution. Okay na? Zero solution, non-zero zero solution, it means 0, 0, 0. Non-zero solution, it means at least one is non-zero. Okay na? So condition of having a non-zero solution or non-trivial solution is determinant equals to 0. Okay, condition is del equals to 0. Okay, now first put determinant equals to 0. 1, 3, 2, k 4, and 3 minus 2 minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, expand this one. From this one you will get value of k now, because it is given that this system of equation has non-zero solution. Okay, so we have to find the corresponding value of k. Expand, I am expanding with respect to first row, then 1 into minus 3k minus 8. Okay, minus 3k minus minus plus 8 minus k into minus 9 and plus 4 plus 3 into 12 minus 2k. Okay, equals to 0. Now if you solve this one, here we have minus 3k plus 9k and minus 6k. Okay, 1 minute, minus 3k, sorry, minus 3k and this is minus 5 plus 5k. Okay, I am writing first 3k plus 8 plus 5k, and this one is 36 minus 6k equals to 0. From this one you will get that minus 9k and plus 5k. Okay, so 4k and this one is 44, then k is equals to 11. From this one we are getting k equals to 11. Okay, now put k equals to 11. If you put k equals to 11 in this one, because for k equals to 11 there is del equals to 0, it means we have non-zero solution. If you put k equals to 11, then we are getting that x plus 11y plus 3z equals to 0, 3x plus, can I write this 3x plus 11y and minus 2z equals to 0, and 2x plus 4y minus 3z equals to 0. This is the first, second and third. Now what do we want? We want value of xz by y square. So just simply find the value of x and z both in terms of y square, then y square will be cancelled out now. Okay, sorry, in terms of y. So now I want to find the value of x and z in terms of y. Okay, now take first and third. If you add both, then z will be cancelled out and you will get value of x in terms of y. First plus third. If you add both, what we are getting? 3x plus 15y, 3z cancel out, equals to 0. From this one x is equals to minus 5y. Now put minus 5y in any equation to get value of z. So from this one, if you put x equals to minus 5y, what you will get? You will get minus 15y and plus 11y, minus 4y equals to 2z, then z equals to 2y. Okay, sorry, we are getting z equals to minus of 2y. If you put the value of x in any equation, then you will get value of z in terms of y. Okay, now value of xz by y square, x is minus 5y into minus 2y by y square cancel out and we are getting value as 10. Okay, so this is the answer. Write down. Okay, can I have? Okay, so we have a question that is simple, I am not taking, and 21 if the s is the okay. Next question from 2017 JEE Mains. If s is the set of distinct values of b, for which system of equation x plus y plus z equals to 1, x plus ay plus z equals to 1, ax plus by plus z equals to 0 has no solution. Okay, so S is the set of distinct values of B for which system of equation has no solution. Okay, so S is a set which contain the value of B for which the system of equation has no solution. Okay, then S is first option an empty set. Okay, it means there is no such value of B. Second one, an infinite set. Okay. Third one, a finite set containing two or more element, and last fourth one, a singleton. Singleton set, it means having only one element. Okay na? Now see, it is given that if S is the set of the distinct value of B for which the system of equation has no solution. So what is the condition of no solution is? Condition of no solution is del must be equals to 0 and at least one out of del 1, del 2, del 3 is equals to 0. Okay. So first thing is del must be equals to 0. Okay. For no solution, del must be equal to 0. Okay, so put del equals to 0. Now del is 1 1 a 1 a b 1 1 1. Okay, equals to 0. Now for simplification, can I use r1 goes to r1 minus r2, r1 goes to r1 minus r2, then you will get two zeros now. Okay, then 0 1 minus a 0. Okay, r2 and r3 remain same, 1 a 1 and a b 1. Okay, equals to 0. Expand, if you expand this one with respect to r1, then 0 multiplied by cofactor becomes 0, then 1 minus a with a minus sign, so it become a minus 1, multiply corresponding cofactor 1 minus a, 1 minus a, and again then plus 0 equals to 0. If you take common minus, so what we are getting? We are getting that from this one, a minus 1 whole square equals to 0, then a equals to 1. Okay. So here we are getting that value of a is must be equals to 1. Okay na? Value of a equals to 1, then del becomes 0. It means a must be equals to 1. So put a equals to 1 in the given equations. Okay na? Now after this one you have two ways. First, now you are getting that a must be equals to 1. Okay. Now find the value of del 1, del 2, del 3, and find the value of b such that at least one is non-zero. Okay. Or actually these are simple equations. So first I am putting a equals to 1. If you put a equals to 1, then what we are getting? X plus y plus z equals to 1. Here a equals to 1, then x plus y plus z equals to 1. Okay, a equals to 1, then what we are getting? X plus by plus z equals to 0. Now see, this first one and second, these both become same. Okay, they are coincidence now. Okay, so coincident now, so these both are same equation. Okay, these both are same equation, every equation represent a plane. Okay, it means we have two same plane, two equation represent same coincident plane. Okay, and third one is any other plane. We have two coincident, and third one is x plus by plus z. Okay, now see, if third plane is not parallel to these two, okay, suppose third one is there and this is the first and second plane and this is the third one, then there is no solution. Okay na? If this is parallel to these plane, then there is no solution. If this is not parallel to these, then here you will get solution. Okay na? So for no solution, this must be parallel to these. Okay, and what is the condition of parallel plane is this ratio equals to this one, equals to this one, but not equals to this one, and obviously 1 by 0 is not equals to this ratio now. Okay, this ratio is 1, this one is 1, so this must be 1. So for no solution, B must be equals to 1. If B is equals to 1, then B this plane is parallel to these. Okay, if two are coincident plane and third one is this one, and if this is parallel to these, then there is no solution. So for no solution, B must be equals to 1. Okay, so therefore if you take any value of B other than 1, then this is not parallel to these. Okay, now take any other plane not parallel to these, so always you will get point of intersection, it means you will get solution. Okay, so S contain only one value of B, that is 1. Okay, so fourth one is the correct. Canara. Okay, next question is now this is in JEE Mains 2016, but this one is simple. A into adjoint of A equals to A into A transpose. Okay, I am not taking this one. Okay, now next is from JEE Mains 2015. The set of all value of lambda for which the system of linear equation has a non-trivial solution. The set of all values of lambda for which system of equation 2x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 equals to lambda x1, 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 2x3 equals to lambda x2 minus x1 plus 2x2 equals to lambda x3 has a non-trivial solution. Has a non-trivial solution. First option is an empty set. Second option, a singleton. Third one, contains two element, and fourth one, contains more than two element. Okay, now the set of the all value of lambda for which this system of equation has a non-trivial solution is an empty set, singleton set. It means we have to identify that how many values of lambda we have such that this system of equation has non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution, it means solution other than 0, 0, 0. Okay, actually these are homogeneous system of equation. Okay, now because there is no constant term. If you take this is the term containing x1. Okay, now see, if you take this term at this side, I can take common x1 now, x1 into 2 minus lambda minus 2x2 and plus x3 equals to 0. If you take this one at this side, you can take common x2, then what we are getting 2x1 then plus x2 common. Okay, minus x2 common, you will get 3 plus lambda and plus 2x3 equals to 0. Similarly in this one, if you take this term at this side, minus x1 plus 2x2 minus lambda x3 equals to 0. Okay, there is no constant term, and condition of non-trivial solution is determinant equals to 0. This is the condition, del equals to 0. Okay, put value of del, coefficients determinant formed by the coefficient 2 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda, after that minus 2 and then 1, then 2 minus 3 minus lambda, and after that 2 minus 1, 2 and minus lambda. Okay, now expand. Okay, can I make zeros? R1 goes to R1 plus R3, then this becomes 0 and this becomes 0. Okay, so this one, if you add, what you will get? 1 minus lambda. This one plus this one, 0. This one plus this one, 0. Okay, now R2 R3 remains same na. 2 minus of 3 plus lambda, 2 minus 1, 2 and minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now expand with respect to R1. 1 minus lambda multiply by its cofactor, this one into this one is 3 plus lambda, and minus this one into this one is 4. Okay, then 0 multiply by its cofactor becomes 0. Now what we are getting? Lambda minus 1 and 1 minus lambda minus common and multiply with 0, then you will get lambda minus 1 whole square equals to 0. From this one we are getting lambda equals to 1. Okay, lambda equals to 1, it means we are getting only one value of lambda, so singleton. Okay, a singleton. Okay, write down. Now next one is 1 minute. Here we have minus lambda, this is minus lambda, this one is minus lambda. Okay, then this one into this one multiply with lambda. 1 minute, sorry, because answer is not singleton. 1 minus lambda into, if you multiply, what we are getting? Lambda square plus 3 lambda and minus 4 equals to 0. Then 1 minus lambda, can I take common? Minus, minus goes to 0, this becomes lambda minus 1. Okay, lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 4, factors are lambda plus 4 into lambda minus 1 equals to 0. So we are getting lambda equals to 1 minus 4 and again 1. Okay, but in set you can't write one value twice. Okay na, so we have only two values, 1 and minus 4. Okay, so contains two element. Okay na, 1 and minus 4. Okay, write down. Okay, now A is given, A into A transpose equals to 9i, that is simple, I am not taking. Okay, now next question, came in 2014. If A is n 3 by 3 non-singular matrix, non-singular matrix, it means determinant is not equals to 0, such that A dash it means transpose is equals to A dash A, and B equals to A inverse into A dash, then find value of B into B transpose. Options are B inverse transpose, I plus B and I. Okay, so we want value of this one, it is simple na. So B into B transpose, just put the value. B is A inverse into A dash A transpose, A inverse into A transpose A dash whole dash. Okay, now if you expand A inverse A dash, A into B dash is B dash into A dash, so A dash dash is A and A inverse dash. Now see, to find the value of this one, it is given that A into A dash equals to A dash A. So A dash A can be written as A into A dash, just put the value A inverse A into A dash and A inverse dash. Okay na, transpose or dash, same thing. Now A inverse into A is I, and this one can be written as days of A inverse into A. Check A days into A inverse days. Okay na? This is I and this is also I. I days. I days is equals to I. I into I again I. So answer is I. Fourth one is the correct answer. Okay, write down. Next is also from 2014. If alpha beta is not equals to 0 and fn is equals to alpha power n plus beta power n, okay, and determinant 3 1 plus f1 1 plus f2 1 plus f1 1 plus f2 1 plus f3 1 plus f2 1 plus f3 1 plus f4 is equals to k into alpha 1 minus alpha whole square 1 minus beta whole square and alpha minus beta whole square. Okay, then find the value of k. Options are given as 1, second one is -1 and third one is alpha beta and fourth one is 1 by alpha beta. Okay. Okay, now see, put the values. Determinant is given, so I am finding value of del. Now I will just put the values 3, okay, 3 as it is, 1 plus f1, f1 n as 1, so alpha power 1 plus beta power 1. So this one is 1 plus alpha plus beta. 1 plus f2, f2 is put n as 2, alpha square plus beta square. Okay. Okay. Then next one, 1 plus f1 is 1 plus alpha plus beta. f2 is 1 plus alpha square plus beta square, 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube. I am just putting the values. 1 plus alpha square plus beta square, 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube, and 1 plus alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Can I write this 3 as 1 plus 1 plus 1? Okay. Now actually directly we can't simplify this one because elements are so lengthy and also I can't make zeros, okay na, easily. Then try to write this one as product of two determinant. Okay, for simplification. Now see, first element what we have, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now see, P11. Now find P11. What you will get? First row, first column. 1 plus 1 plus 1. We are getting na? Now this is P12. When you will get P12? First row, second column. So first what we want? 1. Okay. What do you want? Alpha. Okay. What do you want? Beta. This. Okay. Now P13. P13 is first row, second column. What do you want? 1. Then what do you want? Alpha square. Then this must be alpha square and this must be beta square. See na? P13 first row, third column. 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. We are getting. Now P21. P21 is this one, second row, first column. Second row, first column. What do you want? 1. What do you want? Alpha. What do you want? Beta. Okay, and similarly this one is 1 alpha square beta square. And actually both are same na, these both are same. So this can be written as square of 1 determinant na. Okay. And in this determinant if you find the values, then see, can I write this one as, if you find the value of this one, then see na that we have determinant as 1 1 1 x y z and x square, y square, z square. That value is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. Okay. Here at the place of x what we have 1. So if you replace x as 1, what you will get? 1 minus y and y minus z and z minus 1. Okay. So if you expand this one, then you will get value of this one as 1 minus alpha, alpha minus beta and beta minus 1. If you expand, if you find the value of this determinant, you will get this value. And also this is also same. So you will get square of this one, square, square, square. Okay, same value now. Okay, I am right. Yeah. Now what is the value of k? Beta minus 1 whole square can be written as 1 minus beta whole square, no problem. Okay na? So value of k is k equals to 1. Okay, this is the answer. Write down. Can I rough? Okay, see, next again from 2013. It is given that P is equals to 1 alpha 3, 1 3 3 2 4 4 is the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix A. It means this P is equals to adjoint of A and determinant of A is equals to 4. Then find the value of alpha. Alpha is equals to, options are 4, 11, 5, 0. 11 is the correct answer is here. Okay, now we want value of alpha such that P is equals to adjoint of A and determinant of A is equals to 4. Okay, determinant of A is given. Take determinant. P is equals to adjoint of A. Then determinant of P is equals to determinant of adjoint of A. Determinant of adjoint of A is det A power n minus 1 and is 3 by 3 order, so 2. Okay, so 16. Determinant of adjoint of A is 16. Now can you find determinant of B? Obviously expand. So if you expand, what you will get? 1 into 12 minus 12, 0, minus alpha into 4 minus 6 minus 2 and plus 3 into 4 minus 6 minus 2. Okay na? Okay. Now if you solve, what we are getting? We are getting that 2 alpha minus 6 is equals to 16, 2 alpha equals to 22, alpha equals to 11. Okay, this is the answer. Write down. Okay, so next also from 13, that is easy. Okay, but I am taking this one. Can I have? Now see, again next one is from 2013 JEE Mains. The number of value of k for which system of equation has no solution. The number of values of k for which the system of equation k plus 1 into x plus 8y equals to 4k, kx plus k plus 3 into y equals to 3k minus 1 has no solution. Yes. Options are infinite, second one is 1, third one is 2 and fourth one is 3. Okay, how many values we okay? for k such that the system of equation has no solution. Now here we have only two variable, okay na. So system condition for no solution is del must be equals to 0, and out of del 1, del 2, del 3 at least one must be not equals to 0. But see, here we have only two variable x and y, there is no z na, so there is no del 3, there is only del 1, del 2, okay. So first condition is del must be equals to 0. So first find value of del. Del is equals to k plus 1, 8 k and k plus 3. This must be equals to 0 for no solution, okay na. Then if you simplify this one into this one, what we are getting, k square plus 4k plus 3 and minus this one into this one is 8k equals to 0. K square minus 4k plus 3 equals to 0. From this one we are getting value of k as 1 and 3, okay, two value of k na, 1 and 3. Now after this one you have two options, either find value of del 1 and del 2 and check that for what value of k we are getting at least one as non-zero, okay na. Initially we are getting two value of k, but it is not necessary that for both we have at least one is non-zero, okay na. Okay, so but I am not finding del 1 del 2, okay, because there is only two equation na, I am just putting the value of k. For k equals to 1 and this is for k equals to 3. If you put k equals to 1, what we are getting, 2x plus 8y equals to 4 and x plus 4y equals to 2, okay. These are coincidence lines, okay na. 2x plus 8y equals to 4, if you take common 2, then this is also same equation na, x plus 4y equals to 2, okay. So there is infinite solution, okay. So infinite solution, here we have infinite solution, so we can't take k equals to 1, okay. Now for k equals to 3, 4x plus 8y equals to k equals to 3 na, so 12, 4x and 6y equals to 8, okay. So what we have, k equals to 3, sorry this one is 3 now. Now see, now there is no solution, this one equals to this one but not equals to this ratio now, okay. So no problem, simple, no solution. So k equals to 3 is the answer. It means number of values of k 1. We have only one value of k na, okay. We can't take k equals to 1 because for k equals to 1 we have infinite solution, you can't take, okay, write down, okay. Okay, so this is done, okay. Next one is IEEE 2012. P and Q matrices of 3 by 3 order, P is not equals to Q, order is 3 by 3, P cube equals to Q cube and P square Q equals to Q square P, then determinant of P square plus Q square is equals to, options are -2, 1, 0, -1. Now see, it is given that P cube equals to Q cube and can I write this one first, Q square P equals to P square Q, okay. Here we want determinant of P square plus Q square and it is given that P is not equals to Q, okay, no problem. Now see, can you add them, add, if you add what we are getting, P cube plus Q square P equals to Q cube plus P square Q, okay. in this one, why I am adding, because now I can convert this one in terms of p square plus q square. Now take common p, then what we are getting, p square plus q square. Okay, p back side, you can't write p at this side. Okay na, here take common q. If you take common q, then what we are getting, we are getting that q square plus p square into q. Okay, now take this one at this side. I can take common p square plus q square common. Okay na, because p square plus q square or q square plus b square both are same thing. We are getting p minus q equals to 0. Now this product is null matrix. Okay, and it is given that this is not equals to 0. I am taking determinant. Determinant of this complete is p square plus q square, and determinant of p minus q equals to 0. Now it is given that p is not equals to q, it means p minus q is not equals to null matrix. Okay, okay, this not equals to null matrix, and this product is null matrix. Okay, product is null matrix, product of determinant is also null matrix, and this is not a null matrix. Then this determinant, actually na, product of two determinant is equals to 0. Okay, then this one must be equals to 0. Determinant of p square plus q square. Okay, at least one must be equals to 0 na? If p minus q is a null matrix, then it is possible that determinant is also equals to 0. But if p minus q is not a null matrix, then how can we say that definitely this one is equals to 0? Okay, we can't say na. Okay, this may be 0, may not be, doesn't matter, but this must be 0. If this is not equals to 0, then if you take any example, then you will get that if this is not a null matrix, then and this product is equals to 0, then determinant of this one must be equals to 0. Okay, you can take any example, you will get that p square plus q square is equals to 0. Okay, third one. Okay, so these are some questions. From tomorrow we will start next chapter.